Am I being rude for not blessing someone who has sneezed? Signed, not saying it.
Gesundheit. I even say bless you.
Right? Because you're a cultural Christian.
Yeah, I mean, look.
Correct.
If you want to, then stay silent and don't say nothing. Then.
No, because Gary's appropriating Christianity is what he's doing. So he says God bless you instead of just bless you, or not even bless you. Just say you.
No, just you.
Right.
You are so good looking.
Thank you. Right.
You are so good looking.
Thank you.
Anyway, no audio, you said?
Why don't you just
No,
say
it was-
you're
it was-
so
it wasn't
good
at
looking
first.
instead of bless you?